Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your phone number on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings and click privacy and security, then now click phone number. There you can manage who can see your phone number. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. That's how to manage who can see your phone number on your account on Telegram. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.